Good morning, everyone. Sue here, Joe and Sue's Off-Grid Adventure. Fun announcement. We are participating in a seed challenge where we're sharing seeds across Canada with a bunch of other people who joined. And really excited to say that I've got my seeds all out and packaged and sent off. And maybe some of you others watching this can join for next year. The Canadian Seed Challenge. Look us up. Partnership with Hickory Croft Farms and Lorries World. Check them out on YouTube as well. Have a good day, everyone. Okay, I will share links to Hickory Croft Farms and Lorries World's YouTube channels below. And please hit that subscribe button. It's free of charge and will help us out a lot. Have a good day.